Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. I think this price action makes it worth looking at Ether in a little bit more detail because the purple triangle count that I considered as well was eliminated, and I highlighted to you already yesterday that if we get a break below 3,705, I can believe the yellow count, which is now, well, getting confirmed. I always think that clarity, I mean, when the market provides clarity, that's typically good. It's typically a good thing because we were sort of, Ether was hovering in a range. Nothing happened. Could have broken to the upside, but got rejected in our resistance area there. Earliest warning that something would be breaking down was a break below the 3,760 level, which was this swing low, the Thursday low, as I mentioned in the previous video earlier today. What are we dealing with here now? So the market has dipped into this target zone down here, which I prepared for you already in the last video. So the market reached already the target zone for wave C of Y of 4. Remember, the idea is that a third wave topped here in May, 23rd of May. Then a WXY structure, and the Y wave is an A, B, C, and the C wave to the downside ideally is going to be a 5-wave move. So the third wave happened very, 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 very quickly. It seems to be an impulse to the downside, actually, that's unfolding here. The third very extended, and it might need another 4-5 pattern. But we've already had quite a strong rebound from the support and target area. So if we get a sustained break above 3,709 USD, it might indicate that we are already turning around. 3,709. That's the 50% retracement of the third wave to the downside. And well, normally we don't want a fourth wave get beyond that level. Therefore, this would indicate a reversal. I can take out now the upper resistance. We don't need that anymore. And so like that, yeah. So that's the count. Plenty of space in the support area. It is pretty risky though to just sort of be aggressively long, in my opinion, until we get some kind of an upside impulse or something, because this is catching the falling knife. In addition to that, the next move up would only be a fifth wave anyway. All right. So, but anyway, the beauty of Elliott wave is it gives us the support regions that hasn't changed, and it gives us, a bullish and a bearish count. If something breaks, we know where we should be landing. So I always try to equip you with two scenarios, which means I also now need to give you a scenario for what would happen if we go to the upside from here, right? So the idea is that we are in a fourth wave currently, and this last move, it might just need another 4-5 pattern. And if we move up from here, then it would still be considered circle 5, and it would most likely be, well, tricky. It would be an ABC structure most likely to the upside, yeah. Like the third wave was also clearly an ABC structure. So the fifth wave would most likely also be an ABC structure. And it would, well, I guess it will find resistance around 4,100. Now I cannot yet give you targets until I get some kind of a reversal here. But yeah, Ether not doing anything unexpected, I'd say. I mean, the idea was this is a fourth wave, okay? So that hasn't changed at all. It was just between, okay, is it a triangle that's going to break out directly, or are we getting a dip into the support region? Support, as you all know, was between 3,208 and 3,644. And only a break below 3,208 would indicate a more substantial top in place. So what we see right now is just, it's just a variation of a wave 4 that's playing out. Okay, so it's part of our scenario. I would only need to flip towards a different scenario, which is the B wave top in the white count, if we get a break below 3,208. However, I have to say that already a break below 3,337 would indicate that it's likely going to break, because again, here the 50% fib level even if it's a diagonal to the upside that's unfolding, we don't normally want a break below that. So quick summary, I'm looking for another 4-5 pattern to the downside. That would be the ideal scenario. That wave 4 shouldn't get above 3,709. To be fair, we are already now in the resistance area. If I consider the 23.6 fib level as well, and I'm going to the 30-minute chart, it's sometimes difficult when we have these strong sell-offs. You know, you might have the fourth and fifth wave hidden in that decline. So we might not, we don't sometimes see that, okay? So it might be that here, this 4-5 is somewhere hidden in here and you just can't see it because things happen very quickly in crypto. So therefore I give you resistance and just be aware that things are likely going to turn around or something's gonna morph if we get a break above 3,709. Yeah, that's my update about Ether. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.